In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in Arkansas in 25. So you want to step into the world of entrepreneurship and make Arkansas your business home base? Perfect. And here's the exciting part. If you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll be directed to a special page where you can start your LLC for absolutely $0. That's right, you'll only need to pay the mandatory state fees, no hidden costs. Be sure to use that link and we'll have your business up and running in no time. Now, let's dive into the process. First, navigate to taylorbrands.com. When you're on the site, you'll need to select the great state of Arkansas as your LLC state. Once done, click on Get Started. Enter your preferred business name, and then click Try this name to check its availability. With a name in mind, click Next to proceed with defining what your business will offer. Here, you can choose between options like physical goods, services, leisure, and hospitality, among others. If you'd prefer, you can also click Next or Skip to proceed without specifying. The next question asks you about the current stage of your business, whether it's just an idea, you're taking your first steps, about to launch, or already in business. Again, either choose the appropriate stage or click Skip if this doesn't apply. Following that, you'll be asked when you plan to launch your business. Options vary from launching as soon as possible to more than 3 months later. Select your timeline and click Next or Skip to move forward. You'll then answer questions about your business industry, the kind of offerings you plan on, and whether you intend to hire employees within the coming year. Each step helps tailor the process specifically to your business needs. As you progress, you'll enter your operational postal code, discuss whether your business serves customers online, at a brick-and-mortar location, or on the go. Further inquiries will involve what else you plan for your business, such as selecting LLC. You'll detail any previous actions taken by checking off relevant boxes or bypassing this step if not applicable. You'll also have the chance to join a free 12-week business coaching program, providing valuable insights and guidance. Next comes filling out your business information, including your first and last name and phone number. Taylor Brands also provides an easy option to obtain your EIN to open a business bank account. If you prefer, you can get the EIN directly from the IRS. Just visit IRS.gov and use their free tool for applying. You'll return to your Taylor Brands setup to continue the process. Taylor Brands offers various tools and services, such as a branding toolkit and formation kit, to enhance your business's professional image. Decide what suits you best and click Next. Finally, you'll review your plan. The Light LLC plan is $0, but the Arkansas state fees are $45. Opportunities for expedited filing, an operating agreement, or an LLC formation kit are available for an added fee. When you're ready, click Continue to Payment and choose between PayPal or credit card to complete the transaction. And just like that, your Arkansas LLC is officially in motion. Don't forget, use the link in the description or the pinned comment to get started on that $0 LLC setup page, and you'll only pay the necessary state fees. Grab that link now and get your Arkansas business formed today.